everyone. Today we're holding an e-talk contest.
This is a competition for confident and creative English speakers. Is this your first time participating in the event like this?
No, it's not my first time. In the first year of college, I joined at content competitions like this. So I guess it's really interesting. So now I'm here.
What did you choose for your speech and why?
I choose the topic United University, the English teacher as a bridge between cultures, and I choose it because it's very important for us and it's very interesting.
Maral Mereke kızı, what do you expect from our students?
So at today's event, I expect from them that they come up with good ideas, they show a good communicative skills, and of course they will speak a good, clear English.
Dana Nurbekovna, what would you like to say to participants of e-talk?
Believe yourself and do your best. And good luck for all participants.
Hey, good morning everyone and welcome to our e-talk, the competition in TED Talk format, but our aim is stimulating students' professional and personal growth, developing public speaking skills, creative thinking, and forming a value worldview. This year, our main topic is the Adal Azamat.
Create a poster that shows how language really connects people.
Morning. I choose a topic innovative English teaching, creativity as a heart of professionalism, and in this picture I wanted to represent the teacher's path because I think it's really difficult to be a teacher, and I want to invite you in this map for showing you how difficult teachers are.
Students prepare their teachers as much as far as they are more likely to enjoy it.
So, when I decided to become a teacher, I asked myself one simple question. What kind of teacher do I want to be?
As a space for innovation and growth. In today's world, education is changing rapidly.
I simply said how. That's when I realized that English doesn't just teach us grammar.
It isn't just a place to learn a language. It's a space to learn how to think, create, and grow as a person.
Another simple question. Have you ever seen your students' eyes light up when they understand something in English?
That classroom represent curiosity, imagination, and help us to understand this topic more.
Technology, like smart boards, digital games, or iPads, yes?
Maybe not, but you smiled, right? That's the magic of English. Even if we don't understand the words, we can still understand each other.
Here, I'm gonna make this quick. I'm here to talk about the honest and...
Good morning again. I would like to thank all of you for your participation of today's contest. Actually, I really like it.
To describe today's e-talk contest overall.
So I really liked this contest. It was the first time I see my students being so active, so emotional, so enthusiastic. Thank you for the people who organized this, for the students, for the participants. It was great.
How do you think the students performed?
Students' performance was great, I think, because I could see the growth of each student. For example, today I could see the Alina. She is the second course student, and her performance was great, really great. I really like it, and I would like to thank all of our participants of today's contest.
Thank you for sharing your thoughts, and
we wish all participants good luck,
inspiration, and unforgettable experience.